Okay. Check it out, guys. Wow, this. Look at this, guys. Okay. Brand new comb and nectar. Alright, guys. Look at this. Wow. Okay, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, these girls are busy. They are they're putting that nectar up. Brand new. Look at all this brand new comb. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Let's get the smoke out of here, a little bit out of the. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. These girls are really putting up this nectar, you guys. It's not capped, but they are. This is heavy. It's like full of nectar. It's all brand new comb they built. These bees are. Wow! Oh my gosh. There's a little bit of brood in here. Nice. I don't mind seeing brood way over here. Doesn't bother me one bit. Oh my gosh, wow, that's a heavy frame. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are the Golden West honeybees right here, boy, you guys. They are, these bees are phenomenal. The genetics on these bees are amazing. Oh yeah, every frame is just loaded. I mean, these things are heavy. They're 8 to 10 pounds easy. These are all, now these are, they're getting this all capped up really good. Oh my gosh, you guys. Just look at this. Look at all this virgin comb, you guys. Virgin comb. This is crazy, right? And here, look at the backside's even more capped. Oh no, I'm sorry, baby. I just squished a bee. I'm sorry, honey. Oh, darn it. I don't like to squish the girls. I'm so sorry, honey. Darn it. Okay, here we go. Back in. Right, nice and easy. Well, they don't want to go down there. I got smoke them out. Smoke them down there. Come on, girls, get down. Get down, you. Stubborn bees. They're stubborn. Okay, now they're clear. Good job. They're putting up a lot of honey, though. I'm gonna have a really good harvest from this hive. I mean, oh my gosh, you guys. These girls are incredible. They are just killing it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Look at this. It's not capped, but you guys, this is like, wow. I'm so impressed with these Golden West honeybees. I can see we got some drones in here. I don't know what they're doing. They must be feeding. They're on the frames just like the worker bees. So maybe, yeah, I don't know. Got drone comb. So look at this, guys. Here we have, we got some drone comb there. The girls, they built all this comb themselves. They got a lot of drone comb in there. And then you can see the worker comb up top. Look at this. Oh my gosh. All that virgin comb. They're getting there all capped up. Wow. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's a lot of honey in here, a lot of nectar. And we got lots of drones in there, and I just let them, a lot of this stuff is, I'm letting them build it however they want to build it, so. All right. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. She's stuck in there, sweetheart. Come on, get out of there. There you go. Yeah. Ugh. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of honey in here, you guys. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, this is a little bit lighter now, so probably, okay, yeah, now we're into the brood. No? Yeah, there's a little bit, yeah, so we're into brood here. Okay, guys, brood, bee pollen, alright, so, alright. Yeah, we got, now this is the first frame of brood, you guys. Look at this, oh, beautiful. Beautiful, look at that brood. Oh my goodness, here we go. Alright, wow. Okay, I'll put it back. Okay, so they got a lot of brood frames. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. This is number 12, so then I got 8 frames to 20 frames, so. Alright, oh, easy. Alright, easy. I don't think I'm going to go any further. So once we got, yeah, so that's probably all I'm going to go, you guys, for this one. They've got a little bit of room left, so I'm going to put them back. And we'll go check out the next one. These are the Golden West. This is my strongest colony. They're doing really good. I'm very happy with these bees. Let's see, where did those go? I got that one there, okay. Okay, don't squish any girls here. Alright, I gotta smoke them down. I'm not gonna do a full inspection, I just wanna see how they're doing. Make sure they've got plenty of room to work. Okay, they're all clear. Let's close it up. Okay, yeah. So they still have room to, not a whole lot, but there's still room, so that makes me happy. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna push this back here. And alright, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and drop that right here. Alright. Okay, buddy. Alright, guys, so strongest colony right there that I have. Golden West honeybees. Now, this is a swarm. The next hive is a swarm, and it was a really small swarm. I mean, it was only the size of a softball. So let's see how they're doing. Alright, let's see. Boom. Okay, where's it at? Alright, here we go. Okay, yeah. See how we're doing here. Okay, looks like these girls have been building up very nice. I might have to give them some more room. Yeah. Oh yeah, they are, oh wow. Look at these girls. Okay, so wow, this is, yeah, and they've got, it's like bee pollen in there. A little bit bee bread. It almost looks like moldy stuff, but that's brand new stuff. I don't think it's mold. Let's see, is it on this side too? Yeah, okay. Just gray. I think that's, yeah, pollen. Some kind of whatever pollen they're getting into. Can you guys see that? This is a pretty light frame. But, okay, I'm gonna put this over here. We'll put that right here. Alright, boom. Just so I can have a little bit of room. There we go. Okay. Maybe even a couple. I could probably, that's not gonna. I'm gonna be moving that divider board. See what we got over here. All right, let's see. Wow, this is okay. That other frame isn't very heavy, but this frame feels pretty heavy. Wow, nice. Oh my gosh, you guys. So these guys need some more room. The good thing I doing my inspection here. This is really heavy, you guys. This thing is like, yeah, it feels really heavy. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Okay. Yeah, so this is all honey, capped honey and nectar. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my goodness. Gotta keep this one out as well. Okay. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a look. Okay, we got some drone comb right here, guys. Okay, alright. That's the last frame there. So let's see. Okay, easy. Okay, yeah. Okay, don't put those out. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, oh my gosh. Oh no, honey, I'm sorry. That guy squished a bee. I'm so sorry, baby. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. Darn it. Okay, here we go. So 10, the other colony has 20 frames. This one is at 10. And I might have to split this colony here just because it's so big. I can split it, but then I'm only going to be able to have 15 frames for the rest of these colonies, which will probably be enough. This one's kind of light. So not a whole bunch of nectar. They've got some, I see some drone comb, nectar. We got some capped honey. Lots of new stuff here. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, we'll put this back. So they're, oh, easy. All right. Yeah, bam. Yeah, these girls are doing really good. This was a really small colony, but I got it early in the season, so. Oh, this was heavy. Heavy frame here. Okay, wow, yeah, look at this. A little bit of brood in here, a little bit of worker brood. I've got lots of, ooh, look at that. We got a solid 4 inches on this side. Okay, so there's 2.5 inches on this side. Nice little worker brood. Okay, I'll put that back. Not so much brood on this side. I'm gonna put this back. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, Wesley, gosh darn it. Sorry, baby. I'm so sorry, honey. Ah. Come on, get out of there. Get down there. Boy, they're stubborn. They don't want to go down there. Yeah, so these bees were in a bee tree, actually, so they should have some pretty good genetics. They've been surviving there for like 30 plus years in a residential bee tree. But this was a virgin queen when I got her. Oh yeah, here we go. We got lots. I'm in the brood now, so wow, lots of brood. And we got some bee bread. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm probably gonna, these guys are doing good. We're not gonna go into any more inspection here. These guys are doing good. I'm gonna give them some more room. Easy. All right, let's put them back. I'm gonna, come on, yep, just go back. Jack, come on, go back down there. Alright, alright. Go back down. Alright, I gotta smoke them down. They're just being real stubborn. They don't want to go down. Alright, get them down there. It's alright, girls. You gotta go down when I smoke you. Okay. Yeah! Alright, here we go. Alright, I gotta move this divider board. I'm gonna have to move the divider board and give them some more frames to work. They're just about... They just about have everything filled up, so... Oh my gosh, that smoker's really going. Goodness. So I gotta pull the divider board. I'm gonna probably give them probably another 4 frames since they're doing so. Oh, I got 2 frames right there. Okay, okay, easy. Alright, so what do we got here? Oh no. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's 10 there. Okay. I'll probably give them another 4. Okay, yeah, here we go. Oh wow. Heavy. Easy. Come on. Easy, bud. Easy, bud. Alright. Get down, honey. Get down, honeybee. Get down. Get down. There you go. Yeah, get down, sweetheart. Get down. Okay. I'm gonna give them 4 more frames. And that should be enough for a good while. Then we'll put our divider board back in. Now let's see, this would be a good time, actually, to put a divider board right here. I could get a, yeah, we could do that. So why don't I do that? I think if I slide this divider board over, I can give these girls over here 1 more frame. Possible. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna give them another frame. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm gonna give these girls 1 more frame. Over there, let's just make this happen real quick, bud. Because I'm afraid they're going to run out of room. I don't know if I can give them another frame. I'm going to try. Try and give them at least 1 more frame. That'll save me from splitting so early. Okay, so. Alright, let's get this guy going here. Yeah! Okay, there you go. There you go. Boom. Okay, nice. Now, can I, okay, I don't think I can give him any more frames. Let's see here. I got... That thing is stuck in there. Yeah, I better just leave it alone. I better just leave it alone. Yeah, if I put another frame in there, I'm going to lose my stuff there. Check it. Oh, yeah, that thing is stuck. They've got that propolized really good. Ah! Whoa. Come on, get down there, honey. Get back down there. Ah! Okay. Oh. Okay, so now that's, yeah, they don't want to, I want to close them up there. I don't want to go. So if I do that, I'm going to have to reduce the entrance there, which we could do that. Got to reduce that entrance right there, so yeah. Yeah, she's going the wrong hive there. Okay, well, shoot. We can do that. I have to reduce the entrance. I'm going to, got this, let's see here. Got all this here, so, boom, boom, boom. What do you think, bud? Let's see, if I just cut this or what? Yeah, we can just cut it. Let me see, do I have a blade? I need a blade. I don't have my blade or nothing. Darn it. The girls want to get that stuff where it's not coming in here. Don't want any bees going through there, darn it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video, guys.